Hello guys, this is Ivan here, and this is the third video today. I just have some spare time and I want to show you another strategies which I have on my web page, which I am using. So this is Inside Strategy, my version from last year. Why my version? Because there are several similar systems, but this is my own system version. It is based on a special pattern, inside pattern, but I will not explain you which pattern is this complicatedly, because we have a system which will help you. So when you see these boxes, blue and red, it means that the inside pattern already happened and now you are waiting only to take a trade. So to simplify, when you have a red box, then you trade only sell. When you have a blue boxes, you trade only buy, but only if you have two confirmations, free confirmations. So first one is that the next candle is breaking under the level of the box. So the limits of the box borders are here and it breaks out. Second condition is that the price is under this moving average. And third is my famous strength indicator, which would be, in my opinion, 60 or more. Then you will enter the trade. So here this breaks, and when it breaks we don't trade this one. We are waiting for another one to be open. I was a little bit late. I should open it here when it new candle open, and we would have until now much higher profit than $100. But I'm just explaining you the rules, the system. Also here, another one, you have a blue box, one and second one, you are waiting for breaking it. And after the open of the next candle here, I was also late, you need two confirmations. First one is that it is over the moving average, and this should be in green, in my opinion, in my experience, 60% or higher, but it depends. So blue box only buy, wait for the first candle to close, which broke this box. You see, this broke it up. We are taking only buy trades, and at the open of the next one you take a trade. So this is some examples on 50-minute. I put now 50-minute trades because it is a lot of trade. If you trade on 4-hour daily, you will not have so many trades, but it is up to you what you like to use. Daily, 4-hour, so you can use it both for daily trading, for scalping. You see, blue box only for buy, price must break blue box, and after the candle which broke it, you need to wait open of the next one, and if the price is over the moving, and this is in green too, as higher it's better, then you enter the trade. Like here, we are late here, it blue box break out, and here we should enter the trade. This is another system here. You see this is big blue box. Here you will enter trade here. It is over the green, and I don't know, it was 10 hours ago. If this was higher, maybe 50, 60, here you will take a trade, and as you see, it would be finished here in the money. So also here you will enter the trade here, and you see. So there are many examples which we can see here. This is also V20 plus trader. You see this one, fantastic trade here. So the rules are super simple. You just need to, let's say, use the rules. Let's see, maybe we'll find something else. Which I don't know which one we can use. I don't know, anything you can trade. Ethereum, let's say. You try always 4 hour daily, 1 hour, but also, guys, you will be informed by message, pop-up message, and you will be warned about the pattern is broken or the pattern is just started. You see this one, good trade in the money. US 50, UK 100. You can trade indices. You see inside bar you are warned, but it was warning here. But one example, a red box, only sell trades. First one broke, then here you enter the trade, you're under the line, and okay, we don't know, it was 10 days ago. If this was a red here, you will take a trade here. So many examples. You can trade weekly if you want. Oil, you see on daily. Also, sometimes when the market is not good, you will see many flat situations like here, red, blue. This is not good. You need visible trend, action, and then breaking. So you open 10, 15, 20 pairs, Euro stock, and wait. You wait, or you need to wait for a signal. This is fantastic. You see, when you have this situation, boxes, and then a long time flat market, and then huge breakdown. This is what we are waiting for. So here, this is a breaking first candle, but you wait for the open of the next one. You are under the moving average, and this, if this was under the, it in red, here you would take a trade, and you see huge trade. Stop loss, usually you put few pips over the box and take profit 2 times. So if you take trade here, from here it is 160, so 320 would be your, somewhere here you can exit, or you can wait more to make even more. So New Zealand JPY, on daily chart. This was okay. Doom, doom, doom. This was not, because for buy, price breaking must be over that line. So this is not good setting. It all depends about the market. If you don't have good settings, guys, don't trade. You need good settings like here, breakout, then here you enter the trade. You are over the green line, blue box means only buy, and okay, this was 2 months ago, and if this was in green, here you will take a trade, if. So I am telling if because I don't know what was 2 months ago. Also here, good position. As I said, you can trade any time frame. I prefer maybe higher time frames, but you can trade anything you like. I don't know, Euro Canadian on 4 hour, nothing. But you don't need to look around because, as I said, you will get, guys, warning that pattern is here. This is not. So here you see flat, 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 and then breakout. Doom. Red box, only red trade, only sell trade, doom. But as I said, you will be warned. Let's see, maybe we'll get something again on a smaller time frame. Some warning. No. Canadian, Swiss. I think we'll get some. So you will see. Alert, alert, inside bar. And it was for this. And you see, you will be prepared, you will enter the trade, and you will be in the money. 4 hour, daily. So I am just showing you what are the possibilities. As always in trading, you must be, guys, patient, waiting for the best settings according to the rules I have explained. You will not jump just like that in any trade. That's why we have so many confirmations, like here. Yes, this would be okay. Red for sell. Here you will enter the trade. If this was in red, it is under the green. And you see, although it will go up, later it is going down. German index. You see this fantastic trade. Breakout. Then on the next one, you will take a trade and boom. You see fantastic profit. Here, you will put your stop loss, few pips under. The trade you will enter here, and you can make. You will trade this until the first one will cross under the line. or until the next pattern, or until this become red, for if you are in buy trade. So you must follow it. Let's see on 4 hour. You see here sell trade, sell trade. It can be buy trade if this was okay, but just to warn you, not for this system, guys, for any other system, if you get suddenly extremely, you see big candle of, I don't know, this is 2000 pips, 200 pips, sorry, that means that something is happening in market, and avoid such a trade. This is too big candle, this is okay candle, this, but this 200 pips, this is something is happening, some news in market, then wait that market is again normal, then trade again. Don't use this. This is too much, because you never know. After these big movements, market tries later to go back, because it is too big space, and normally it is not going again up. But you never know with this. Here, as I said, just follow these simple rules. If you are trading on a higher time frame, it is easier. Okay, you will not have non-stop the trades, of course, maybe few weeks if you open 10-15 pairs, but it is more stable, like here. Here I try to take on 15 minutes, you see it is going up and a little bit down. So always for these systems with patterns, higher time frames, 4 hour or higher, are better. So guys, it was a little bit about it. It is 199. You see everything. Today, more 4 hours, if you like it, I will give you for 99 euros. And at the end of the video, so 99, not 199. Also, I am reminding you that still, now for next week, we are accepting, if you are interested in coaching, one-to-one with me, private coaching, not only for this, for strategies, for anything you like, for Forex, for expert advisors, for anything. One-to-one, I can accept only one people, only one student, let's say, in 1 week. I have now one spot left for next week. If you like to learn with me, trade with me together, just contact me on the email below. Have a nice day, guys. Bye-bye.